Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to make an e-commerce store on Wix Studio. So for this one, we are going to focus on our store design, adding products, adding important buttons, and payment options. So first is we're going to open any of our web browser, and then using the search bar, we just have to type out Wix Studio. Okay, so let me just type it out right here at the top. So just type out a Wix Studio and then just click on this first website right here. Okay, so once you open it, you just have to simply click on Start Creating or simply click on the Wix Studio at the top left. Then make sure to log into your account, of course. So once you're here, you just have to simply click on Create a New Site option at the top right. And then you have Studio Template, Studio Blank Canvas, or use your own template. So I'm going to use a blank canvas for this one. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds. Okay, so now that you're here, all you have to do is to simply click on the Wix Studio icon at the top left. So this one. Now just click on Dashboard. So we are going to set up our payment method first. So here, just simply click on All Payments at the left side of your screen. Okay, and then right here, you can now add payment methods to your site so your customers can pay you online. Now just simply click on Manage Payment Methods. Okay, so right here, as you can see in my current location, which is the Philippines, I have this payment options. Okay, so when you click on this See More Payment Options at the bottom left of this page, and be able to see here more payment options. So now let's go back and try to change our current location. So for example, this is not your region or country, so just simply click on it to this one at the top right. And then using the search bar, you just have to type out your country. For example, United States. Okay, so the availability of the payment methods will depend on your region or country. So for example, this one, United States, so we have this payment options. So to make sure that we connect the right provider, you just have to review the restricted list and answer the question below. So after reading this note at the top, so just answer this question. Then just click on accept and continue. And then right here, so Wix payments give your customers the ability to pay online or in person. So we have credit or debit cards, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and more. And if you'd like to enable or disable a specific payment options, you just have to simply click on this switch. Okay, and then click on continue. So after that, as you can see, before start accepting online payments, we have to upgrade to a pro plan in order to start accepting online payments. So just have to simply click on upgrade. So you have to upgrade your plan to a premium one. Okay, so that's how you can set up a payment methods. So next thing that we should do is we are going to design our store. So let's go back here and start designing our store. So since we have started in a blank canvas, we only have one page for this website. So first thing that I'm going to do here before adding more pages, I am going to edit or customize my homepage. So I'm going to start right here at the top left. So I can add elements right here or remove the existing elements. Okay, so I'm going to remove this one. Next is to add elements. Just simply click on this plus icon right here and go to the text option. So we have the text styles. I'm going to use the heading one and I am going to change the text. Okay, so what is your business about, or what is the name of your business? I'm going to type out makeup. Okay, next is you're going to add images and more elements in this page. So let me just change the background of this section. So I think this one is better. So next is just simply click on the X icon or click on this arrow. Now let us add a media. So just simply click on this media icon right here. And then we can upload our own media or use media from Wix. So if you're going to use media from Wix, just use the search bar to search for a specific media that you want to use. Okay, so for example, this images. So I think this one would do. So just simply click on add to page. And I just have to simply stretch the image or simply click on the stretch icon at the top right of this image. Okay, so let me just click on it. And next, I'm going to transfer this title and of course change the color of the text. But I will do that later on. Okay, so now let us add a new section. So to add a new section, just have to simply click on it and click on add section. Now you can design the section, turn this into grid layout, or add your elements. So for this one, I'm going to add more sections. So for example, right here, if it is a welcome section, about section, services section, and more. So to make this video shorter, I already add here the elements that I need, and of course the images that I am going to use. So now next thing that we can do is to simply create new pages. Okay, so to create a new page, you just have to simply click on this pages option at the top and then click on manage pages. Now to add more page, just simply click on add new page at the bottom, and then you can add a standard blank page or a dynamic page. So I'm just going to add a standard blank page, and then you just have to rename it. Okay, so once you're here, so I'm going to name this one as products. Okay, that's right. So after naming this page, is we are going to add now the Wix store. So to do that, just simply go here and then click on this icon at the left side of our screen. Okay, so this one right here. So before designing this page, I'm going to click on the My Business option. Okay, now you just have to simply click on the Wix stores. So if you cannot find this one, you just have to simply use the search bar and type out Wix stores. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds. Now that the Wix store is added, next thing that we can do is to manage the products. So I just clicked on the page and clicked on the manage products option. Okay, so clicked on the manage products. So this one over here. Okay, this one. Now that you're on your dashboard, first thing that we should do here is to delete the existing products. So we don't need these products. So to do that, we just have to select all of them. Okay, so just clicked on this box right here and then clicked on the more action option. Now clicked on delete. Okay, now delete to confirm. The next thing that we should do is we are going to add our own product. Okay, so to do that, just simply click on the add new product option at the top right and then add your physical product or digital file. So I'm going to select physical products. Right here we can upload our images and videos. So before that, we have to add here the title of the product. So for example, brush, and then let us add our images or videos right here. So I'm going to upload media from Wix. Okay, so you can also upload your own media. I'm going to type out makeup brush, and I think I'll be using this image. Okay, so take note that this is just a tutorial video. You have to upload your own media. Okay, next is click on add to page. Okay, so you can add more than one image. Next thing is we have to type out our product info. So for the basic info, we have the name, we have the ribbon, we also have the description. You can also generate an AI text for the description. Okay, so I'll be using this text right here. So I'm going to use text. Okay, now for the additional info sections. So we have to share information like return policy or care instructions with your customers. So you just have to simply click on add an info section, and then for the pricing, for example, the price is 300 pesos. And the next, if it is on sale, so you just have to type it right here, the discount, and then the sale price. Okay, and then if you would like to show your price per unit, you just have to simply toggle the switch on. Okay, next is for the custom text. So allow customers to personalize this product with a custom text field. So you just have to add custom text field if you want this. And for the product options, so does your products come in different options like size, color, or materials? Okay, if you want to track your inventory, so you just have to simply toggle the switch on. And then right here for the pre-order section, so let your customers buy this product before it's released or when it's out of stock. And for the subscriptions, easily offer your products on a recurring basis with subscriptions. So you just have to create a subscription right here. Now let's go back at the top right. Okay, so if you want to show this on an online store, of course, show in point of sales. And then right here, you can add a product category. And here you can create coupon, promote this product. We also have here the advanced settings. So after filling out this field, we can now click on the save option at the top right. Okay, this one, and then just going to close this for now. And as you can see, we have successfully added or uploaded our first product. Okay, so just click on the X icon. Okay, so we have here now our first product. So take note that we can customize this logo right here as well. And for the category page, so we have the display, the settings, the layout, design, text, list, filters, sorting, quick view, and manage. Okay, so if you want to customize this category page settings, so just click on it. Next thing that we should do is we are going to preview this now and try to see if how it will going to look like when someone visit this website. So let me just click on the preview icon at the top, and then when someone clicked on this product right here, okay, so when someone clicked on our product, they'd be able to see the details of the product as well as the buttons, which are the add to cart and buy now buttons. So we have the description, we have the price of the products, then they can add here their quantity, then just have to click on add to cart or buy now. Okay, so as you can see, we have to upgrade this to a premium plan in order to access this feature. Okay, so next thing that we should do, let's go back to the editor. So just click on edit site. Next thing that we should do is to add menu buttons. Okay, so to do that, let us get back to our home page. Okay, so just click on the pages option at the top right of our screen. Okay, so this one right here, and then click on home page. Okay, so next thing that we should do is to add elements. So to do that, just simply click on the plus icon. So this one right here, and then click on the menu and search element. Okay, so this one over here below the buttons, so just have to select your menus option. So we have here horizontal menus, vertical menus. So for this one, I'm going to use the horizontal menus. So I'm going to use this template. So you just have to drag it and then place it at the top right or top left. Okay, so next is we have to manage the menu. Okay, so just click on it and click on manage menu. So right here we are going to add more items. So click on add item. So if you want to add main pages, so just click on it, and then we have your products. Then we also have the member page. So just have to simply click on apply. Okay, so the more pages that you're going to create for your website, so the more menu options at the top that you can add. Okay, so next is we are going to manage the menu again, and if you would like to add more items, so just click on add items. So let us try to preview this menu and searches option. So just click on the menu option, the preview icon at the top right. Then let us head over to your products page. So as you can see, I don't have here the products because we have installed the Wix source for the products. So they have a specific page that we can click on. So if someone visit our website, they'd be directed to our homepage, and when they click on the menus at the top, they'd be directed to that specific page. Okay, so if they cannot find the specific page that they want to go, just have to click on this pages at the top left, and then when they click on this pages right here, so for example the product page, you'd be able to see here all of our available products. Okay, so you'd be able to see the product title, the price of the product, the description, as well as the add to cart button and the buy now buttons. Okay, so let me just click on the pages again at the top right. And when I clicked on the home page, I'd be redirected to this page. Okay, so now let us try to manage the menu again. So you just have to do the same process. We also have a thank you page. So say for example, they're going to buy this product, then we're going to send them our thank you page. So this is how it's going to look like. So you can customize the thank you page if you go back to the editor. So basically, Wix Studio is highly effective for creating an e-commerce website, especially for users who value design flexibility and ease of use. Its a drag and drop editor allows you to customize your store's appearance without needing technical skills, ensuring that your site reflects your brand identity. Additionally, Wix provides essential e-commerce features such as product management, secure payment integrations, and inventory tracking, so making it easy to set up and manage your online store. Moreover, Wix Studio includes powerful marketing tools that can help you grow your e-commerce business with a built-in SEO optimization, email marketing, and social media integration. Overall, Wix Studio offers a comprehensive solution for anyone looking to build and manage a successful e-commerce website. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.